Mindset's super important. When you're getting into business, there is going to be obstacles. There are going to be times where you feel like, fuck, this sucks. Like, you're going to get down on yourself. But the most important thing to remember is not to focus on those failures, but figure out a way like how you could now pivot and change so that doesn't happen again. How can I do this different next time so I can reap better results? Instead of thinking, oh my God, this sucks, forget it, I quit, like I'm not going to be able to move past this, kind of just like my example that I mentioned when I got stuck with Amazon. I could have easily quit at that point, like this sucks, I'm screwed, I'm going to go into foreclosure, I got to tell my parents, never mind, you know what I mean?
No.
Fire you guys, I'm sorry. But instead I figured out a way, and I used problem solving skills and really try to figure out a solution, because you got to understand there's a solution for everything. Whether you have a roadblock in your mind or you're thinking of a problem, whether it's like, oh, I don't have enough money, or I don't have any time, that's just an excuse. That's just a smoke screen. You need to say, okay, how can I make time? How can I get the money? Because if you just keep saying the same thing, I don't have the money, I don't have the time, then think about what your life is going to be like 2 years, 3 years, 5 years down the line. You're going to be stuck in the same situation with the same problems.